Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how we can upload how you can use notebooks. So first of all, I will upload my videos. Okay, let's come to the videos, and I will write a video transcript. Okay, video I will generate, like it will take a little time to upload here. Then I will write a video hook. So for example, I have created a YouTube video. So now I would like to generate the hook of the video. Okay, so let's see the voice. So I will take the voice using ChatGPT. Hey, this is my video, so can you write a short hook for this video so that I can actually get a lot of views and people actually watch my full video and see what value actually people getting by the end of the video. So try to explain this one and then give me a very powerful hook, okay, from based on my transcript of the video. So if you upload something on the notebook LM, so he will give you answer you based on your data, okay. So you see, as the data I have uploaded one video, so he will give me the answer based on the data, okay. So now it will think for a long time, and after that it will give you the very good result, okay. So you see it actually giving you the data. So want to turn video into your default AI brain. In this video I will show you exactly how to upload a master notebook LM. Oh, that's the real problem, guys. I have uploaded the video that exactly I'm creating. So my video actually, since I'm recording with OBS, it actually showing here, but I think I should upload this video, okay. So this is pretty much long video, it will actually taking a little time, so I will hide this data. I thought, why my video is too long, why is actually this uploaded too fast, okay. So now, like for example, you have uploaded 3-4 and a lot of data at this point. You should, like for example, you have to generate answer from this data, okay. So if you should click on over here, and after that, guys, you actually see, and once you know that, it will be very simple and straightforward, and it will generate the audio, okay. So whatever you want, you can generate the audio, side text, and also video generation, sitemap, and keyboard, and everything. So and then also if you select, for example, you have uploaded 7 to 8, okay, something like that, I mean data source, and from this source what you should do, from the 8 source you have generated. So for example, with the 7 number source you should generate, with the 7 number source you want to generate the text or image or hook. So you should click the 7 number, and then it will generate the result from the 7 number, okay. So guys, I hope you completely understand how this works. So if you really like this video, I don't want to make this video too long, just I'm trying to show you the process so that in future, guys, you can get the benefit. That's pretty much it. So guys, thank you for watching this video so far. If you really like this video, subscribe. And guys, we are the Shopify agency. If you need any type of e-commerce website for free, I will give our agency website link into the description and comment box. So you can feel free to reach out to us, and then you can create a Shopify e-commerce and high converting store for free. So why you are waiting? So just reach out to us, and then let's make your business into the next level, okay. And guys, without quoting this video, so you see my product video have been uploaded here. So you see this transcript is too long, so here have the transcript, right? So let's come into over here, let's delete this. Now here my transcript, so I will copy this exact prompt that I have given here, I will paste it here. So now this AI tools actually will write a very good hook, okay. So he will go to my full the transcript, and after that he will actually write a very good prompt, okay. So that's the power of the notebook LM, okay. So you see actually writing a very good prompt to help to get more views, keep your audience engaged, okay. So if you have the kit, this product mandatory. So if you want to sell, this is the mandatory. So I'm going to show you the exactly how to build a high converting Shopify store and viral cat, water bottle, AI tools, and create a professional, okay. So guys, this is my hook ready. So I will actually prepare my hook, and then I will actually generate the video. So guys, that's pretty much it. So if you really like this video, subscribe, and in future if you need any free Shopify store, come to our agency website, we will build for free. Thank you.